Hello everyone, welcome back to Code Arena. Today, we'll be creating a Fries web page in Figma, purely for practice. So, let's get started. Follow these steps to open a free Figma file. Let's begin by clicking on the frames icon to select a desktop frame. Great! Next, we'll right-click and head to Plugins to get the orange gradient we see at the top. Search for Grainy Gradient and run the plugin, which will give us several gradient options. We'll randomize one and click Generate. I've already chosen a gradient, so let's place it in the frame. Adjust the frame to make it a bit shorter in height so everything fits nicely. Now, let's move on to the logo and then the navbar. Here's a breakdown of the navbar. We'll be using Inter Bold 20px with black as the color. The menu items, About Us, Services, and Contact Us will have 84% opacity for the black color, and the font weight will be medium. Let's set everything together. Next, we'll work on the buttons. We have two, Login and Sign Up. The Login button will use a rectangle with fully rounded corners for a circular look. We can shorten it by pressing K, Scale shortcut, on the keyboard. Set the font size to 16px. The rectangle's color will be a maroon shade, and the font will be Poppins Medium 16px, with white as the text color. For the Sign Up button, the design is similar, but we'll leave it unfilled, with just a 0.88px stroke to keep it looking professional. Now let's move on to the main text, Golden Fries, elevate your potato experience. We'll use Poppins Medium 64px, with black as the color. Here's the time-lapse for that, great! For the subheading, it's quite simple, the font is Poppins Regular 24px, with black as the color. We'll add 1% letter spacing to give it a cleaner look. Now, let's add the buttons, labeled Order Fries and View Menu, both using the same design details as the earlier buttons. Finally, we'll add the main image, which is a fries illustration. You can find it on freepik.com, link in the description. Let's adjust everything, and we're done. Thank you all for watching. You can find the Figma file in the description. See you next time.